Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a short series of a bunch of ATV videos that are going to be making up quickly. The last time I was out riding, the axle nut somehow backed off, sheared off the cotter pin, took out the front bearing, took out the rotor, damaged the boot, and demolished the brakes. But today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the hub, and we're going to replace the axle bearing in there so we can get her back on the road. Stay tuned. The first thing obviously that you want to do is remove the tire and then remove the axle nut. So once you get the tire, the axle nut, and the hub off, obviously the brakes by removing those, that was already done previously. So now we need to move the bolt there, pull that one out, remove the steering, and then hit it with a brass hammer, knock it out, and this center section will just come out. I already folded the cotter pin out, so we can pull that out of place. $17 it is. Loosen her up. Gonna hit it with the brass hammer on the castle nut, and that pops it up. That gets me right where I need to be, right there. Milwaukee has enough gun to bust these free. Ah, it does too. Look at that. So now I should be able to tap that one down and then hit this top one. I'm on. There we go. So you can see right there, the bearing race is still on there. That is not good. Not only do we got to deal with a ripped boot, part of the bearing is still stuck on there. Oh yeah, it'll come. These snapping pliers are too big to fit inside. Nope. Now, if you don't have a hydraulic press, getting that bearing out might be a little bit of a challenge or chore. Even with a press, my bearing was stuck in there pretty good. And of course, if you're using a press, you're going to have to find your own jigs, your own attachments, in order to try to press the bearing out safely. And then again, try to get the bearing back in safely without damaging it or hurting yourself in the process. That might be a bit hard to get out of there. I just sprayed the inside down with some WD-40 before we press the new one in. Yeah, it's definitely in where we gotta be now. Alright, let's get the rest of this together. Slide on. Alright everybody, I want to thank you for watching that video. My collar's a little bit popped up right there. I apologize. I'm not trying to be cool. I want to end this video here of replacing the front CV axle bearing in your 2007 Arctic Cat. This will be similar for many other years of the same. I actually had to replace a whole bunch of other things. I had to replace the CV axle because the joint couldn't separate and ended up shattering the bearing. Had to replace the brake rotor, replace the brakes. This is what happens when your axle nut backs off and then your tire starts to fall off and everything creates a mess. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I want to thank you guys for watching.